If you're looking to grow your hair fast, healthy, and long, keep watching.
Do you want to know?
Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. And for those who are new to this channel, you are welcome. I am so happy to have you here. And guys, today's video is all about my natural hair. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my intensive conditioning treatment using aloe vera gel and avocado oil. So let's get started. This is my little garden where I planted aloe vera. So I just got this fresh from my garden. Yes, so here is how to get the gel from the aloe vera plant. Okay guys, so the making of the aloe vera gel is self-explanatory, okay? So let me quickly tell you some of the benefits of aloe vera to the hair. Aloe vera repairs dead skin cells on your scalp and it acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Aloe vera may also help activate new growth by increasing the blood circulation to the scalp. More still, aloe vera softens and conditions the hair. Regular use helps restore shine. It also helps curb hair fall and control hair shedding, ensuring that your hair remains thick and voluminous. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help smooth your scalp of irritation and aggravation. So right away, I am bringing out the gel from the plant. So this is how I do mine. You can use spoon or anything that works for you. This works amazingly for me. So after bringing out the gel, I'm going to cut it into pieces to blend.
You show up thirsty, staring at me like I can do something for you. You lick your lips, you think you're slick.
So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go over to straining it. This is how I do mine, okay? This is my hose. And I just cut it to do this as a new one. And yeah, so you use what works for you. Please, this part is very important. You must have to strain it this way using any material that works for you, okay? So that it doesn't leave those particles into your hair. So the second and the last ingredient to do this treatment is avocado oil. Avocado encourages collagen production. Avocado also manages scalp inflammation and can also help with dandruff. It also helps protect your hair with antioxidants, and it also strengthens your hair and encourages hair growth. So here I mix the two ingredients together, well mixed, okay? Yeah. So it's time to get that into the hair. Oh my God, I can't wait. So let's do this, guys. And this is my spray bottle containing oil and water. What I have in there is almond oil. I love almond oil because it nourishes my hair so well. So yeah, be sure to moisturize your hair with just water, okay? And what I have in there is water and the oil. So be sure to moisturize your hair first before you do anything with your hair, so to avoid unnecessary breakage, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is to lose the two-strand twist I've been wearing. Yeah, and this is going to make the work easier for me because this is fussy hair. And then if I don't do this, it's very hard and painful. If you have fussy hair, you understand what I'm talking about. It is not easy at all. Yeah, so this is what I do to make it easy for me to walk through all that I'll be doing for that day. Yes, it makes the work easier for me.
You stalk like I'm a piece of me.
I section the hair into 4 parts to make it easier for me to walk through. This is what it now looks like. So I'm going to pour this into an applicator bottle. You use what works for you, okay? Anything that will make it easier for you to work this through your hair, it's fine. So I'll mix it by shaking it well. So at each section, I first of all detangle the hair a bit before applying the treatment. So first of all, I'll get it to my scalp. You know, for you to grow a healthy hair, you must have to take good care of your scalp. So first of all, I am taking that down to the scalp and massaging it in through all the strands and the scalp first. Yeah. And another part that you have to really take good care of are your ends. So you must also have to get that through the ends very well, making sure you rub it in well. So it's not coming out the way I want. So I have to like pour that on my palm and rub it in. So that is it.
Just be done. I have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my way. Should not be hard to understand. Don't wanna be bothered by a man. No need to flex, boy, don't be vexed.
So I also use a praying hand method to smooth in the treatment through all my strands. As you can see, the hair is looking very beautiful. Oh my God. So now that that part is done, I'm going to twist it up and go over to the next section, repeating the same thing.
Interested, no way, no thanks. Do you think that acting confident get you in? That's not the point. Acting smooth, but you got no cool. So simple, you just gotta move. Why you've got a rule?
Can you see my beautiful grays? I started graying when I was about 16, 17 years old.
Have seen enough to call your bluff. Oh, didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Get out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Knew you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my sight. Get out of my sight. I have had enough of your loud parade. It's time for you to go away. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Stay out of my sight. Get out of my way. Didn't come here for you. Dude, you killing the mood. Oh, you being so rude. Get out of my way. Didn't come here to fight. Carry on with your night. Out of my
So, guys, this is just it about my hair treatment for today using aloe vera gel and avocado oil. So, guys, I did not lose much hair. The shed hair are just fine, okay? At this point, my hair looks so beautiful, so soft, so manageable, and shiny. Wow.
I'll shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself.
Okay, family, that will be all from me today. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you do, be sure to share with your family and friends. Let them enjoy this video with you. And also give me a like and let me know what you think about this video at the comment section. And I'll see you in my next one. If you like the channel, subscribe for more videos. Bye for now. Joy.
I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back.